Today, I would like to invite you for a free live online cooking class. We are going to prepare delicious pan-seared pork chop together with the creamiest mashed potatoes that you ever tried. And everyone is welcome. The goal of this class is to allow everyone to try my classes, and for those who are already familiar with my classes, to enjoy nice time of cooking with me in the real time. The class starts already next Thursday on January 22nd at 6 p.m. CST. And if you don't have a time on the day of the class, sign up anyway, because you are going to receive high quality recording totally for free and will be able to enjoy class at your convenience. I am looking forward to seeing you soon.